the ladder first.
Rock wall.
Don't tell Timmy.
I won't.
Dad, why? Daddy, why? Daddy, why do you tell Timmy when I'm being naughty?
Because Uncle Timmy needs to know when you're being naughty, because if you're being naughty, then he probably won't come visit.
Dad, does the handle?
Yep.
So I can hold on.
Yep. Okay, now go down the slide. Go down the slide.
Whoopsies. Oh,
Come down.
purple.
Come down the slide.
Pekia.
Come down the slide.
Okay. Daddy, don't call Timbo.
Okay.
Who's Daddy? Watch out! Ah!
How was that?